All right, so once you have Kami downloaded, this is how you use it. So what you will do is you will go over here, click your little puzzle piece, and then right here you'll see Kami extension, so you will click that. And then once that's open, if it's something from a Google Drive, you can open it there. If you just need to start a new page, you can. But in most cases, you can download that PDF from Accelerate or whatever curriculum you're using, and then you'll click Open from Computer. And then I'm just gonna open a random worksheet here. So I've opened this worksheet, okay? So I need to put some answers in here. So you can go over here to the left, you can do a markup, you can put comments. Most cases you're going to put a text box. If it's something where you have to do an equation, you'll put in equation right here, and then you can put insert symbols. So if you need a division symbol, a subtraction, multiplication, any of these symbols that you might need, it's right there. You can also do drawing on here, so you can draw. You can add shapes if you need to add shapes. There's an eraser. You can add pictures. You can add a signature, stickers. You can put I mean, there's all kinds of stuff that you can do with this amazing app. So, once you get done, then you will just click save, and it's going to ask you, do you want to save it to your Google Drive or do you want to download it and save it to your computer? You can do either one, that's up to you, you know. And then once you download it, of course, you want to name it. So I'm going to say I'm going to download it to my computer. And it's going to download it as a PDF file for you. So you should be able to upload it directly back. So if you look right here, it's going to download it. And if you're going to try to find it in your folder, it will most likely be in your downloads file. So if you go to your files, go to downloads, and it'll be right here. So that is where you will find that. I hope this helps you guys out. If you need any extra help on it, please let me know, and I will try to hop on and get you some help.